Hey everyone! Before we start, like and subscribe for more Canva tips. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these tutorials coming your way. Today, let's show you how to quickly duplicate pages in Canva, a handy trick for presentations, posters, or social media graphics. This is honestly one of the most time-saving features in Canva, and once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever designed without it. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why this feature is so valuable. Duplicating pages is perfect when you're creating presentation decks with consistent formatting. Social media carousels where you want the same style across multiple slides. Marketing materials that need slight variations. A/B testing versions of the same design. Template series with similar layouts. Instead of rebuilding the same design elements over and over, you can duplicate and tweak, saving you hours of work. At the bottom of your workspace, click the up arrow to view all your pages. This opens your page panel, where you can see thumbnails of every page in your current design. This view makes it super easy to manage, organize, and navigate through multi-page projects. You can also drag pages around in this view to reorder them. Perfect for rearranging presentation slides or reorganizing your content flow. To duplicate a page, you have multiple options. Use whichever method feels most natural to you. Method 1. Right-click on the page thumbnail and select Duplicate. Method 2. Click the three dots on the page thumbnail and choose Duplicate. Method 3. Select the page and press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows. This is the fastest method once you get used to it. You can also hit the Duplicate Page button that appears when you hover over a page thumbnail. Your new page appears right behind the original, making it easy to edit or create variations without starting from scratch. Everything duplicates: text, images, graphics, animations, even your carefully positioned elements stay exactly where you place them. Duplicate as many pages as you need to save time and keep your designs consistent. Working on a 10-slide presentation? Duplicate your master slide layout 10 times, then just swap out the content. This ensures perfect consistency across your entire project. Here are some advanced tricks to level up your duplication game. Batch duplication. Need multiple copies? Just keep hitting Command+D rapidly to create several duplicates in seconds. Create variations. Duplicate a page, then experiment with different color schemes, layouts, or text without risking your original design. This is perfect for presenting multiple options to clients or teams. Template building. Create one perfectly formatted page with your brand colors, fonts, and layout. Then duplicate it as a starting point for all future designs in that project. Version control. Before making major changes to a design, duplicate the page first. This gives you an instant backup you can reference or revert to if needed. And that's it. You're now a Canva Duplication Pro. This simple feature is one of those game changers that makes design work